Farm Animals, Part 2. Today, you'll pick which farm animals you'd rather have on your very own farm. Then do the matching exercise. Let's go! Would you rather have mallard ducks on your farm or mandarin ducks? If you said mallard ducks, do some heel taps. If you said mandarin ducks, do the Egyptian. Would you rather have a blue tractor or a red tractor? If you said blue tractor, punch everywhere. If you said red tractor, do some hammer squats. Would you rather have some Brahman cattle or some Texas Longhorn? If you said Brahman, do some ab reaches. If you said Texas Longhorn, stretch your neck gently. Would you like to have ostriches on your farm or emus? If you said ostriches, do some wrist rolls. If you said emus, jog and wave your stick arms. Are you going to have some short-haired donkeys or some long-haired donkeys? If you said short-haired donkeys, grab and pull. If you said long-haired donkeys, do some large arm circles. Are you going to grow fruit trees on your farm or have a vegetable garden? If you said fruit trees, do some straight legs. If you said vegetable garden, do some bunny hops. Are you going to have a whole herd of black sheep or one single white lamb? If you said herd of black sheep, do some arm swings. If you said little white lamb, jog in a circle. Would you like to have baby chicks or baby ducks? If you said baby chicks, do the diagonal pose. If you said baby ducks, do the gee golly punch. Are you going to have a barn owl or an eastern screech owl? If you said barn owl, do the knee wave. If you said eastern screech owl, flap your wings. Which dog would you get to protect your animals? A Great Pyrenees or a Bernese Mountain Dog? If you said Great Pyrenees, pull up your snow pants. And if you said Bernese Mountain Dog, rub the giant's belly. On your farm, will there be a pesky fox or a pesky groundhog? If you said pesky fox, do some hooray skips. If you said pesky groundhog, drive the semi. If you're enjoying these movement breaks, hit the red subscribe button. Don't forget, movement is a must. See you next time.